Hi, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I'm going to fix a real quick dinner tonight. We're going to have chicken legs, some potatoes, and I'm going to have sweet pickled beets as a side. So what I need to do first, take my chicken and I'm going to use Lawry's chicken and poultry rub. We're just going to cover this real good. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it in this bowl here so it can shake it around. We're just going to set that aside just for a moment. And I'm going to peel some potatoes and dice them up. This is ideal to fix. And it really depends on how many is eating, is how much you need. We're going to be cooking this in our Ninja cooker tonight. I have some Cabels French Fry Seasoning. So we're just going to season these potatoes. And we're also going to put some of this Lawry's on top of this, just so it will blend in. Give it some added flavor. We'll dice up some onions right quick. Put it in here with the potatoes. And I got Palm olive oil. So we're just going to lay the chicken on here. Just make sure that you have sort of coated it all the way around. There you go. A little bit more on that. Just so it will have some good flavor. Then we're just going to take the potatoes and onions. Sorry, I didn't know you could see that. I got the chicken laying on the pan. And we're just going to take the potatoes and onions, scatter them around. And I'm just going to spray a little bit more of this Palm olive oil, not much, but just a little bit to get them wet on top. And what we're going to do, we're going to put it in our Ninja, and we're going to bake it for 45 minutes or until the chicken gets done. 400 degrees. 15 more minutes to cook, but I'm going to check it out right quick. Well, it's beginning to look good. Okay, the potatoes are not quite done, which I didn't expect them to be. And this should be done in the 45 minutes. It's up to 150 degrees and it just needs to get to 180. So we're going to put it back in the little Ninja cooker and cook it for the rest of the time. So let's see what it looks like this time. Well, the chicken is definitely done, and so are the potatoes. Let's put a little salt and pepper on this. And we're ready for dinner. This is nothing in the world but baked chicken with potatoes and onions And I used some sweet pickled beets tonight. Quick, easy, one pan, easy cleanup, and it really looks good. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Thank you for watching. Give me your comments and come back to see me. One pan dinner. Nice, quick, and easy.